In general, the people who were elected to the National Assembly were property owners because they were the ones who could afford to go to school. And an education, a higher form of education was needed to be able to be elected to the National Assembly. So again, it was a rule of the elite. And where are your voters? Eh di kung sino na lang yung nasa ibaba, susunod na lang yan, di ba? Kasi nga ang edukasyon napakababa ng level. Tingnan mo ang kung saan nag-work more or less yung democratic process sa mga countries na malakas ang middle classes. Kasi yung middle classes are educated, right? So, kahit na meron kang elite, kung majority ang middle classes, mas may hope ang democracy na mag-survive, ano? So, ang nakita natin sa Tejeros election is I think precisely that. I think very significant um, yung detail na hakot eh. So in other words, yung nangyayari sa atin na forever na lang na dayaan, bayaran, etc. is rooted in that whole in a very unequal structure in our society where the rich talaga have lorded it over everybody else with their money, and then with their money they get education, therefore they become the elite and they are elected to positions, and while they're in position they make sure that their economic interests are protected, so they become even richer. And yun, mapansin natin, alam mo, edukasyon, hindi naman binigyan talaga ng importansya yan eh. Ang laki ng budget ng education, pero walang tunay na education. Kasi alam ng elite na real education, which makes people critical, is a threat to them. Hindi na tinatanong kung ano ba yung tama at mali. Ang tinatanong na lang sino ba yung mas malakas, di ba? So doon ka na lang kumapit. And makikita mo na siguro talagang ang edukasyon natin talaga has not improved at all kasi sa dami ng mga nagsusupport pa rin dun sa mga tao na ganon, di ba? Ano yun eh, edukasyon talaga yun eh.
More than a century later, I mean, nagkaroon na tayo ng public school system. Ang dami naman edukadong Pilipino, di ba? I mean, dami ng Pilipino nakapag-aral. Pero
Mm,
I guess the question is how long can we wait?
yeah.
Kailangan ba 100% mataas ang pinag-aralan ng Pilipino? Dami na sa atin ang nakapag-aral na, di ba? It's not just people like you na may PhD. Ang dami-dami nating universities and colleges, no? It's not as if na neglect talaga yung
Oo.
edukasyon, ano? So,
Siguro yan,
uh,
that's a very good question, di ba? Sa dami na nag-aral, ba't ganyan pa rin? Eh kasi yung ding system ng education natin is rote. It's not meant to make you think, di ba? It cramps you with data, gives you skills, but dissuades your mind from thinking independently.